This is the price of HAPI protocol. From the mighty highs of $100, now it's moving below $10. Let's enter the charts of HAPI and travel to Cryptasic Park. Thank you for still being a part of this video. I won't let you down. You requested HAPI. This is it. Daily chart. So we are taking, as always, a short-term approach for the beginning. Although the big downtrend is absolutely not over, not in HAPI, not in Bitcoin, we have some developments. This is, for example, one of the trend lines that show you that the big downtrend could be ending. Resistance, resistance, a breakout in June, and now open waters. Can HAPI hold this, let's say, area and not continue to the downwards? That's a big question. I don't think that HAPI has the strength at this moment to continue into some bull phase, not yet. It destroyed this short-term downtrend, yes, but the big-term picture, it still won't let it to evolve into the real bull. Now even this first phase of a bull uptrend, it's now broken here. You can see from that point where we started, here we tested it but couldn't go any further. I think in the short term you should expect some more downward pressure for HAPI if you are a holder. And let me put you some proof why that is. You see, this is volume, and here we have some volume. It was May, unfortunately a big buying candle, but then a lot of selling pressure. See, this is a good volume, but from the point of that breakout, what you are seeing on the volume, I hope that we can agree that this volume is practically non-existent, so the buyers are still not stepping in, the interest is still not in the markets. Therefore, when you see a burst like this without real volume and continuation, trade carefully. This is a small cap. Things could turn south pretty quickly. Now the levels below $11, about $10.93, could make you another problem when you go to the upside. You can see what happened here, very quick rejection. Here we tried something but couldn't get through, so $10.93. When we're going to the upside, this is my price prediction, it will make you a lot of trouble. HAPI is still not ready for the big move. But the most importantly, when we get rejected to the downside, we just must discuss this level of $8.37, because it was a resistance for a long time to HAPI. All of this area, look at this, resistance, resistance, resistance. Here, even a support, and now when we get to fall, and it could be pretty soon, expect some kind of support at that level, $8.37, another level you got. And this is the most important level of support. If that breaks, you must take into account that there is a possibility of you retesting that $6.12 on a downward trajectory. That was the lows of June. It could happen again, yes. Although the big downtrend is over and HAPI had entered some kind of a consolidative phase, this coin is moving, of course, with the market, so everything is dependent on each other. And the big picture, the story, even in the short term, will tell you smoothed moving average. Look at this, resistance, resistance. So all of this area, even more and more and more to the left, was a downward pressure. But look at this, here we had that burst to the upside in short-term recovery. That unfortunately in the last two candles is showing us something different. Just like I said a minute ago, HAPI is still not showing strength. You can see that the candles are starting to go below this moving average, which is never a sign of strength but weakness. Because of this, I'm giving you those targets to the downside, and they really could be fulfilled. You can see that HAPI haven't had enough fuel to retain its position above this 21 SMA, which is standing at $9.62. We are now below it, so it could get ugly in the coming days. Let me state one more time, consolidated phase, some kind of recovery, yes, could be starting, but more weeks, even months of boredom of disinterest, I think, are coming. After that, when the whole market recovers, you can see HAPI go to another levels. It will be pretty slow. You need patience, as always. Otherwise, why are you playing this game? Now watch this video, because in there I'm talking about the topic you are, well, let me guess, interested, right? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in that one.